I like my hood prop so much, I decided to put one in the boot as well. No audio with any of my recordings though, so we get voiceover today, unfortunately. I decided I didn't want to cut any holes or drill or do anything in the boot itself, so I'm endeavoring to make a bracket to use these two rearmost mounting holes for the rear wing, and seemed like a good way to go. So that was my first decision. To make the bracket, I've got some 2-inch box section here, piece of scrap. So I'm going to cut it up and shape it and just leave a piece in the middle that I can bolt the lower portion of the boot hinge or boot thing to. So here's what that looks like after I finished it. Just cut some sections away and left the square tubing and drilled out the holes. And it sits a little proud at this point, so where that line is, I'm going to cut that back and re-weld it so that it tucks in nicely under the lip. And then I've got the hole for the ball stud drilled there, and that's going to tuck in nicely. And I should say, I'm sure there's numerous ways you could do this, but as I'll get to when I show the strut that I bought, I had to make everything fit to the strut rather than the other way around. So when it comes to where to mount it on the upper or on the boot lid itself, again, didn't really want to drill any holes. So I thought it would be good to find a spot on the actual hinge. I think if you had the right strut, you could probably just drill a hole in the hinge and mount it there. But I fooled around with a bunch of different locations and I just could not get it to work with the strut that I had to simply drill a hole on the side of the hinge. So I decided to weld a extension piece onto this hinge because the hole had to be about 1.5 inches farther ahead of the hinge. This is the lift support. I paid about $12, I think, for this at Princess Auto in Canada. So there's the dimensions there. I probably could have figured out how long the one I needed for exactly the application, but this seemed like a good, readily available piece of kit. So that's what I ended up going with. Like I say, I fooled around quite a bit trying to locate everything and clamping everything in place. But there's the bracket clamped in place, or bolted in place rather, to the 2 holes on the wing. And with the stud, I put a captive nut in the back, so I don't have to try and get a wrench in there. And then there's the extension that I welded on to the hinge, which you could cut off if you wanted to return it to stock, but just had to be placed there. I did buy 2 of these. I thought I'd probably have to use 2, but actually one works quite well on the one side. You can see it comes up nicely and holds at full extension without any issues. So yeah, really happy the way that turned out. And if anybody wants any measurements or anything, I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but yeah, just took a couple hours to knock that out and works well. There you go.